Today we're going to talk dirty about laundry stain removers. And the one I want to tell you about today is for beverages like Cokes, pop, anything like that, fruit, and grass. It's great for all three of those problems. Very simple to make. You're going to take 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm making up a small amount. You can make up whatever you want. You're going to take 1/4 cup of liquid dish soap, so it's equal portions of everything. And you're going to take 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Now we use white vinegar instead of apple cider because it's more acidic and it works better as a cleaner. Then we're going to fill our bottle with it. Now I have a small bottle here because I like the looks of it on my shelf, but if you want to make up a lot, remember it's just equal portions of everything. We're going to take the bottle, fill it up. There we go. And it's a simple spray and wash. You're going to just put this on. You don't have to let it soak a long time. You're just going to spray it on the clothes, put them in the washing machine, and launder with the rest of your clothes. It's that easy to do. It's beverage, fruit, and grass stain remover. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.